load reduction and waterproofing membrane from start to finish. Over time, hydrostatic pressure in heavy saturated soils can place significant force against foundation walls. As moisture builds up around a home, the surrounding soil becomes heavier and creates additional inward pressure against the foundation. Left unaddressed, this constant pressure can contribute to bowing walls, cracking, water intrusion, and long-term structural issues. To address these concerns, our team began by excavating the treated wall all the way down to the footing at approximately 2 feet wide. Excavating to the footing is an important part of the process because it fully exposes the foundation wall and allows us to access the areas most affected by moisture and soil pressure. Once the wall was exposed, we prepared the surface for waterproofing and protection. Depending on the specific repair plan for a property, drain tile systems and additional waterproofing components can also be incorporated to help improve drainage and control groundwater around the foundation. After making sure the wall was ready, we applied a primer because insufficient surface preparation is one of the leading causes of waterproofing failure. For this project, we installed a waterproofing membrane designed to create a protective barrier between the foundation wall and surrounding moisture. Exterior waterproofing plays an important role because stopping water before it reaches the foundation is always preferable to managing water after it enters the basement. same time, our crew installed a 23.87-foot buried downspout discharge system designed to safely carry roof water away from the home. Downspout extensions play a major role in foundation protection because large amounts of roof runoff discharged directly beside the home can quickly saturate the soil surrounding the foundation. Redirecting water farther away helps reduce moisture accumulation and minimizes the risk of future foundation and waterproofing issues. After waterproofing was completed, we moved into one of the most critical stages of the project, backfilling. Proper backfill material can make a major difference in long-term drainage performance and foundation protection. The gravel layer is extremely important because it allows water to move more efficiently through the surrounding area rather than becoming trapped against the wall. Backfilled approximately 80% with gravel and the remaining 20% with the original excavated soil. After protecting the foundation with load reduction and waterproofing, we replaced and restored the concrete. Improved drainage helps reduce moisture buildup and decrease the amount of pressure pushing against the foundation over time. As the project moved into the final stages, we completed the grading process around the treated areas. Proper grading is essential because it helps ensure surface water naturally flows away from the structure rather than collecting around the foundation. To complete the restoration, our crew leveled the surface, applied fresh mulch, and added grass seed to help encourage new growth and restore the appearance of the property after excavation work was completed. Projects like this show that foundation protection is not just about repairing a wall, it's about creating a complete system working together. Waterproofing, proper drainage, load reduction, buried discharge lines, and final grading all play an important role in helping protect the home long term. Built for performance, designed to last, and backed by Pier's warranty. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy seeing real project walkthroughs and educational content, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow Pier for more foundation repair, waterproofing, drainage, and structural repair videos.